Hello guys, today is July 26, 2026 and we are here at Lipason. Lipason Elementary School is our school. Okay, yeah, this is our where we graduated in our elementary years.
You know, how many years I'm not...
Ano na kita? Pero na?
Since,
5 decades.
yeah,
Okay,
five
let us
decades.
see the facilities of our school. So over there is the stage. There is the office of the principal. Over there is a rest house. There are the classrooms. Oh, yan. Yan. Sadto, ano yon, Marcos type. Diba, Merly?
Marcos.
Yeah, Marcos type yan. And it was already renovated.
Yeah, I just remember before.
Yeah.
Marcos type.
Sige. Yan. Yan, mayroon siyang water pump. Okay. Yan. So, this is the school directory. Yan. Ito, mayroon ding playing area. O yan. Ano yan? Primary grades ang nandyan. Yan, meron siyang teaching staff. Yan. Teacher 1, teacher 3, teacher 2. Teacher 2 si Edisa, si Mary Grace 2, Michelle Barceliano T3, Cynthia Rivera T3, Nilen Mendez T1, Administrative Officer. Yan baga si Montiveros, Marisa Utility. Yan, and those are the classrooms. Yan, ang dating rice field noon. Yan. So, meron din ditong laruan yung mga bata. Oh, ang ganda ng ang ganda na ng ating ng ating school. Oh, guys. This is all for today's video. Ito ang aming pinakamamahal na elementary school where we graduated. Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, sinong mag-aakala na makakabalik tayo after more than 5 decades.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yes, 5 decades.
Best. Ano ang masasabi mo sa pinanggalingan naming paaralan?
Ang masasabi ko, marami na pong pinagbago.
Yeah.
May mga iba't ibang departamento na dito.
Na-develop na siya.
Na-develop na siya.
Gaganda na ng mga buildings.
What's that there?
Yan, office of the principal.
Yeah.
Magpipictorial na kami guys. Meron siya mga pot garden over there. Ayan. Yung ang tataba ng pason niya, oh.
Yes, the
Teka, tingnan natin.
eggplant. Talong.
Ayan. Okay. Dito na pala office of the school head.
Yeah.
Ato kaya, ano yun? Dati yun ang
Uy, too much
office. Dalanghita, oh. Oo.
Ano ba mga dyan?
Siguro, maasim pa. Yan ang mga pot gardens, guys. Ito laruan ng mga bata.
Yes, guys.
Dati dito kami noon, Marcos type ito, nasira na.
Grade 1, we are grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, 6.
Maganda pa rin kami ngayon, guys.
Yeah. Thanks God. Kasi kami ay still alive.
Yeah, still alive, kicking,
Yeah, to God be
beautiful.
all the glory.
Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. God bless.